We're making a delicious, quick and easy ground beef and vegetable stir fry. Yeah, for our vegetables here we got sugar snap peas, ground meat, we're going to add all our vegetables, put them right in there, and we're going to stir them in. Now we're going to add a little salt, already cooked noodles, put some of them in there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Soy sauce in, but we're going to add a little cornstarch to this, about 1 teaspoon. Mix it up a little. Okay, we'll put that in there. And we'll give it a good stir. Wow, bet you that's going to be tasty. Now all we have to do is plate that up. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious, quick and easy ground beef and vegetable stir fry with noodles. Boy, does that look good. Smells good too. Mmm, good.